Hello everyone. Now take a circle and fold it into half like this. Make the skin and the eyes of our beloved Santa. Add the cap like this. Now take two strips of white color and fold them like this in a zigzag pattern to make a spiral out of it. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, now we'll add the flip to its top and a face onto it. Now make the ears and stick it. Yes, we have made a little kitty. Wow. Now take a sheet of paper and fold it like this in a zigzag pattern. Now stick it like this on the different sheets. Yeah, just like this we have made a bow kind of thing, right? Yes, like this. Now take another sheet and stick it onto that. Yeah, just like this. We have actually made the purse. Wow. Now we'll take a paper and fold it following the process that is shown in the video. Just like this you have to follow the process and you will see a flower is ready. Now fold it again and stick it onto a sheet like this and cut the heart out. Yeah, you have to just follow the process and make a thing like this and add it to the heart. Now take a strip of yellow and red color and pink, blue like this. Now keep them together and make a curve like this. Make more of them and stick them together. These are the petals, right? Now we'll take a paper and fold it like this as shown in the video. The folds should be clean. Yeah, we have made this pattern like this. We have made a body of the bird and we have added those feathers. This is a peacock. Now take a sheet of paper and fold it like this as shown in the video. You have to just follow the process and watch the video very carefully. Do not miss any of these steps. Make the folds neat and clean so that the end result looks beautiful, right? Just follow the process. We have made a dust collector. Now let's take a sheet of paper and fold it like this as shown in the video. Yeah, just like this you have to fold it. Now take another sheet and make the same pattern. Yeah, make many more of them and more of them. Now take a red sheet and fold it like this as shown in the video. Yes, you have to follow the process and make the same pattern that we made earlier. Now stick them together in this pattern, making a circle out of it. Yeah, just like this you have to lock them together. Yes, just like this we have made such a cool thing. Now again take a sheet of paper and fold it like this as shown in the video. Just like this you have to fold it and you have to follow each and every step. Do not miss any of these steps. Make the folds neat and clean so that the end result looks beautiful, right? Now fold it as shown in the video. Do not miss any of these steps. Just watch the video very carefully and you will see that we are making a heart. It is looking beautiful. Thanks for watching.